Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spring rolls from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need delicate rice paper wrappers, thin vermicelli noodles, and your preferred protein like shrimp or tofu. Don't forget an array of fresh, crisp vegetables such as lettuce, shredded carrots, and cucumber. Having a flavorful dipping sauce, like a rich peanut sauce, will complete your culinary creation. Now, let's prepare the heart of your spring rolls, the filling. Begin by cooking your protein, whether it's succulent shrimp or savory pork, ensuring it's perfectly done. Next, soften your vermicelli noodles by soaking them in hot water for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until tender. Finally, gently combine your cooked protein, the softened noodles, and a generous handful of fresh herbs like fragrant mint or cilantro for a burst of flavor. Mastering the art of rolling is key to perfect spring rolls. First, quickly dip one rice paper wrapper into warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds until it becomes soft and pliable. Lay it flat on a clean surface. Arrange a small portion of your delicious filling, a crisp lettuce leaf, and a few fresh herbs near the bottom edge. Fold the bottom edge over the filling, then fold in the sides, and roll it up tightly but gently. Unlike their fried counterparts, fresh spring rolls are typically served uncooked, highlighting their vibrant, fresh ingredients. Once all your spring rolls are beautifully rolled, arrange them artfully on a serving platter. They are best enjoyed immediately after preparation to savor their crisp textures and fresh flavors. Offer a variety of dipping sauces, such as a tangy sweet chili or a rich, creamy peanut sauce, allowing everyone to customize their experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.